Many students preparing for placements have this doubt: which programming language should I learn? Python, Java, or C++? Because everyone gives different advice, beginners often feel confused about which language is actually useful for coding interviews. One person says Python is best because it is simple. Another person says Java is better because many companies use it. Right? Too many programming languages are students get confused mainly because there are many programming languages available and everyone gives different advice which makes the decision even harder. Some people say Python is best for beginners, others say Java is better for getting a job. One says Python is a simple syntax, less code, beginner friendly. You can write programs using favor lines of code compared to many other languages. Python is widely used in artificial intelligence and data science. Many beginners use Python to practice coding problems. And Java. Java is one of the most widely used programming languages in the software industry. It helps developers build large systems and enterprise applications. Like banking systems often use Java, many backend applications are built using Java. Okay? Right. What matters most for placements, right? Many students think choosing the right programming language will guarantee placements, but that's not true. The most important thing companies check is your ability to solve problems logically, not language. Okay? A student who practices coding problems regularly can clear interviews. A student who only learns syntax without practice struggling in coding rounds. The programming language is just a tool. Okay? Choose one programming language, practice consistently, and focus on problem solving. That is what helps you succeed in coding interviews. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about coding or programming languages, feel free to mention them in the comments.